Sabrina, and this is my mom, and we are the Tasty Tins. Mommy, what are we making today?
So today we're gonna make a spicy caramel popcorn, which would be good for a Super Bowl party or a Valentine. So this is what we're gonna need. First, we're gonna need popcorn, baking soda, salt, cayenne pepper, brown sugar, white sugar, unsalted butter, some water, some light corn syrup, and pure vanilla extract. We're also going to use a baking sheet lined with a non-stick liner, and then we're going to need a metal spatula that you'll want to spray with cooking spray to make sure it doesn't stick. And so now we'll show you how we make our freshly popped popcorn.
Hi, we already popped our popcorn, and now we're gonna make our caramel sauce.
Okay, so we're going to get a heavy saucepan, and we are going to put in our brown sugar, our white sugar, our water, our butter.
All of it?
Yes, all of the butter. Okay, and our light corn syrup. And remember, you can find the recipe to this on our website, tastytin.com. And we'll link it in the video as well. Okay.
Now we're gonna cook our caramel sauce for 5 minutes until the sugar dissolves.
And remember to keep stirring while it's dissolving. While your caramel is being made, put your salt, baking soda, and cayenne pepper into a ramekin or a little dish and mix it because you'll need to use it as soon as the caramel is done. Once your caramel reaches 280 degrees, remove it from your stove, add in your vanilla extract, and then mix in your cayenne, salt, and baking soda mixture until fully incorporated. And then we're going to put the two pieces together. Now take your caramel and pour it all over your popcorn into the bowl and mix it. And after it's thoroughly mixed, we like it so that it's not fully coated. That way you don't get too much caramel flavor, and if the spiciness is too strong, by mixing it in with some kernels that aren't covered, it helps to keep it within reason for those who are not fans of spiciness. Anyway, so once you're done that, you'll place it on a baking sheet with the non-stick liner, and you'll flatten it out, and we'll let it sit at room temperature for about an hour until it hardens, and then you can cut or break as needed and enjoy. Okay guys, and that's how we make our spicy caramel popcorn. And remember, you can find the recipe on our website at tastytin.com. And
if you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
thanks, and see you next time.